Hi there, welcome back. This is episode 8 of Who the Heck is Nat? My journey as a first-time crypto investor and a first-time mom. So sometimes you'll see a little bit of my daughter Livy. Right now, grateful that she's down to sleep. Great sleeper. Awesome. So here we are. Today we are going to talk about freezing Tron to save on fees. So everybody likes to save money, right? So bear with me a moment and I will show you how it works. So here we are. Right now I already have it opened up. So let's go to Bankroll Flow. I've discussed Flow in some of my other videos. I have deposited funds into here, and then I roll consistently, and a few nights ago was the first time that I ever claimed, which was pretty good. Just to be able to see how it works and know that it does work, right? So know that I can do it. So I was able to claim, which was good. The thing is, whenever you make any transaction on the Tron blockchain, and Bankroll Flow is on the Tron blockchain, you would have to incur fees from Tron. Well, the great thing about Tron is you can freeze Tron in order to help you with those fees. So I'll show you how to do that. So here we have Bankroll Flow. I'm connected to my wallet through Bankroll Flow. And I'm going to go over here to my Tron Link wallet. And you'll see that I do have a small amount of energy. That is because I did roll earlier today. So we're going to click here on energy, and it's going to give you the option to freeze/unfreeze or borrow energy. I have not borrowed energy, don't plan to. And here we go, freeze, unfreeze, and confirm, which opens up Tron Scan. Okay, so now this opens up your wallet on Tron Scan, and if you look here, you'll see total TRX frozen is 2,000. So I have 2,000 Tron frozen. And that really helps me avoid those fees, because rolling today, rolling my interest would have cost 2,000 Tron for the fees. So it's very helpful. So if you, over here, you'll see obtain. Click on obtain, and it'll say Tron Power and Bandwidth. You're going to drop down and choose Tron Power and Energy, and then you're going to choose how many Tron you want to freeze. And I'm just going to type in 100. It's saying insufficient balance because the Tron that I have in my wallet is frozen. So let's see. I'll just put in 1 just for this. And then I confirm to freeze 1 Tron for at least 72 hours. So when you freeze, your Tron is frozen for 72 hours, and then from there you can choose to unfreeze it. I'm just allowing the 2,000 Tron to continue to remain frozen because I know that I'm going to continue to roll and claim in Bankroll Flow. You would check this box, and then you would choose freeze. Doesn't take long for the Tron to be frozen and for your energy bar to light up in green. So if you see here, I do have the option to unfreeze my Tron if I'd like, but again, I prefer not to because I'm just going to need to freeze it again. So pretty easy, pretty simple, and super helpful. So that's always great. Savings, savings, savings. So yeah, we would just click on energy, freeze, unfreeze. It brings you over to the Tron Scan. And then from there, you click on obtain and freeze however many Tron you prefer to freeze. And I think that about covers freezing Tron. Easy, helpful. Gives you some savings, which is always great because you're in the crypto universe to make some money, right? As always, my videos are not financial advice, and they are for entertainment purposes only. And that about covers that for freezing Tron. Hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, please push that like button for me and subscribe to my channel. I'll be bringing some more videos. Tomorrow I will be putting out some videos. I'm going to get into the B&B section of Elephant.money, so I'm really looking forward to that. I'm currently involved in the BDO portion of Elephant.money, and I do have another video on that if you are interested in watching it. And then I am looking into getting into the B&B version of Elephant.money. So yeah, that's a 2% daily rewards, which is great, right? And the awesome thing about Elephant.money is you can withdraw your funds at any time. With that being said, you do pay a 10% fee on any money deposited and any money withdrawn. My personal opinion, it's like a 10% insurance fee because you can withdraw your money at any time. So I think that's a nice little safety net, right? So yeah. Alright, well that about covers today's video. So I hope you have a great night, great day, great morning, whatever it is, wherever you are. I hope it's a great one. I will talk to you tomorrow. Thanks so much for joining.